Hello everyone, welcome to another video in which you will practice some of the contents for the second quiz. Remember, we are going to have a quiz and you need to practice this, okay? Well, let's begin a little bit with the contents. Remember, closed questions are the ones we can answer with only two answers, yes or no. They are also called yes/no questions. Um, we usually use the verb to be in order to open a closed question, but you can use practically whatever or any, auxiliary verb in order to start a closed question. And open questions usually start with WH question words like what, where, why, who, and how. And they are also known as information questions because, well, they demand information and the options for answering those questions is more varied. There is a variety of options to answer the questions depending on the question itself. But let's look at some of this. Are you Brazilian? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm Mexican. Is English your first language? Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's Spanish. Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. I'm Mexican. What's Mexico like? It's beautiful. What's your first language? It's Spanish. Notice something. Remember what I told you about the open and the closed questions? A closed question begins with an auxiliary verb. In this case, it's the verb to be. Are, is, and the short answers, either affirmative or negative, also have the verb to be. Are you Brazilian? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is English your first language? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Okay. So let's continue. So we also have descriptions. Remember, when we are trying to describe a person, we can do it by means of how the person looks, like talking about the person's height or weight. Maybe the person is tall or is short or maybe heavy or maybe thin. And we can also use their personalities like friendly, serious, quiet, talkative, and so on. For example, look at the little lady. Who's that? She is my sister. How old is she? She's 22 years old. What's she like? She's short, happy, friendly, and funny. Okay? Remember the question. Who's that? She's my sister. How old is she? She's 22 years old. What's she like? She's short, happy, friendly, and funny. Okay? But we can also describe a person by means of the clothes and accessories this person is wearing. If you remember, we looked at this topic as well. We look at different vocabulary describing the clothes and accessories. And here we have some more examples. Another lady. Now, what is she wearing? She's wearing a pink sweater and white shorts. Remember something important. When we describe a person's clothes or accessories in general, we usually describe it by means of the colors. And as a general English rule, we need to establish first the adjectives and then the nouns or the object we are talking about, the object we are describing. So this is the general order. First the adjective and then the noun or the object. So in this case, the adjectives are the colors. That's why we say, what is she wearing? She's wearing a pink sweater and white shorts. If you look at the sweater, it's pink and the shorts are white. Okay? And this is like a general rule. Okay? Now, let's look at this guy. What is he wearing? He is wearing a white shirt, a black suit, and a light blue tie. Okay? There are some patterns in clothes, like squares and stripes and other figures, floral print, animal print, but that will be later. Don't worry. We can keep it simple, like only the basic colors, and we'll be good to go. Okay? And here we have a last example. Oh, so what are they wearing? She is wearing a beige dress, high heels, and glasses. Okay? He is wearing yellow pants, a red long-sleeve shirt, a white bow tie, glasses, and black shoes. If you look closely, here we have the clothes. She's wearing a beige dress. In general, it's beige. She's wearing high heels, even though she's very tall, and she's also wearing glasses. Sometimes the color of the glasses changes, but in general, there are glasses. If you want to be very specific about the glasses, the watch, or the belt, or whatever other accessory, but you may mention the color. Okay? Now, what is he wearing? He's wearing yellow pants, quite strange, a red long-sleeved shirt, a white bow tie. This bow tie in Spanish we know it as una pajarita. And glasses as well, and black shoes. Okay? Well, this is it for the practice. I really hope this video is useful for you. Check it as many times as you need and get ready for the quiz. Don't worry, it's not going to be that difficult. Okay? Well, bye.